I start out by sanitizing all of my equipment with rubbing alcohol, and I wipe them down, and I try to keep my workstation as sanitized as possible. I cut some cheesecloth because, well, I cut at least two pieces when I'm straining different oils just to start out with. And those pieces, I like to be able to fold them twice. That way, it's kind of like having extra barriers during the straining process. I wrap the cheesecloth around the funnel and I take a rubber band, clean rubber band, of course, because I throw all of this stuff away after I use it. But I use that, and this has been sitting for about 3 weeks, and it's basically rosemary, and some nettle, stinging nettle leaf. So I combine the two of them to make an oil, and I let it sit. Okay, so now I'm getting into the straining process. Because these bottles are only 1 ounce, just be mindful because I do a lot of droppings, and oil is a little bit messier because it's a little bit sleek. And yeah, just take your time. And if you do have an area that's a little messy, as you can see, I'm taking a rubber alcohol to clean it off a little bit because oil can get very messy. However, it comes out beautiful. And as you can see, I've completed all of them, and I'm going to do a little swatch test on my skin. I used Canva to create all of my designs, and once I do that, I download it. I want to say I do a PNG, and I use some white adhesive sticker paper that come in like I think it's 8 by 11, just regular sheets. And then, as you can see, I have some of the something to seal my bottles with. So I take my images and then I go print them out in Word document and I resize them for my bottles. Then I cut them out on my machine. As you can see, that's what I'm doing here. Now you can always do your labels however you like, but this is more cost effective. I center my labels, lay them down, center them, smooth it over, and basically that's how I do that part. But I place the shrink wrap over the bottom, all the way to the bottom. Normally you would use a heat gun. However, I'm using a very hot hair dryer that I have because I really don't use heat in my hair because I'm natural. So I use that, and that yellow bird gets hot. So I have my mitten, as you can see, to protect my hand. But I just repeat this process, and this is how I seal all of my products that I have right now. And I hope you guys like this video, and I hope this technique is helpful. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.